Welcome to Module 2, CLAUDE.md, your project brain. If Module 1 got Claude Code installed, Module 2 is where you make Claude Code intelligent about your project, about your standards, your schema, your team way of doing things. This is the difference between an AI tool that's okay and an AI tool that feels like it has been part of your team for years. What Claude.md is and why it changes everything. Without Claude.md, here's what every session looks like. For example, you start a new conversation, you ask Claude to write some apex. Then you realize you have to specify use bulkified apex. Then you have to tell Claude use trigger handler pattern. Then you have to tell Claude about API version. Then you have to tell Claude about the naming convention is acme prefix verb noun. Then the field is region underscore, not territory. So you get frustrated. So 5 minutes of context setting every single time. Now imagine instead Claude knows all of these automatically. Your coding standard, your schema, your naming convention, your development process. That's Claude.md, persistent project memory that you set up once. Every prompt benefits every session. So how does it work? It's beautifully simple. Claude Code automatically reads a file called claude.md when you start it in a project directory. The contents of that file are added to every conversation context. You never have to mention it again. This file can live in two places. One could be project level, which is your /claude.md, which you can commit to Git. You can also share it with your team, or at user level, which is your C drive, your username, and then you will have a .cloud folder. Within that, you will have claude.md. This is your personal preference across all projects. You can even have claude.md files in subdirectories. Useful when an LWC folder needs different context than your Apex classes folder. Update takes place immediately. Edit claude.md, save it. Your next prompt benefits from the new context. Most teams use project level, which is sufficient. Let's start at the project level. Let's try to make the impact concrete. Without Claude.md, you repeat 5 to 10 context pieces every session. You get inconsistent code because Claude forgot your standards. You deal with hallucinated field names. You correct naming convention over and over. With a properly configured Claude.md, zero repetition needed. Consistent, standard, compliant code every time. Zero field name hallucination. It also follows your team patterns automatically. If you have to do an ROI math, setting up Claude.md takes about 30 minutes upfront. It probably will save you 30 minutes per week forever. After 4 weeks, you are net positive. After a year, you probably would have saved 25 hours. It's a single file, massive leverage. Don't skip this.